Harris Associates is a firm of chartered building surveyors. We are regulated by the Royal Institution of Chartered Surveyors. As building surveyors, we have technical and managerial and administrative skills that enable us to advise a vast array of clients in different sectors on how to maintain their property, how to update it, how to modernise it, how to convert it from one property type to another, and even how to demolish and rebuild it. As surveyors, we need to be right up to date with all the changing regulations, from anything from material use to the types of services installations one can put into new buildings, what you can and can't do on refurbishment work. We need to understand how a modern building is constructed. We also need to be aware of how a very old building of maybe 150 to 200 years is constructed, and in that way we can identify problems and defects, and we can remedy those defects. We can work out and advise our clients on how best to maintain those properties. We place a great deal of stock at Harris Associates on building relationships, so it's more on the sort of human and relationship side. We, as a practice, rarely have one-off instructions that don't then lead on to a longer relationship. I have been working with some of my clients now for 15 years or more, and so we really do try and develop that relationship and get underneath the skin of our clients so we can tweak our services so it's exactly what they need. There is a split between commercial and residential. On the residential side, that forms about 70% of what we do, and then 30% on the commercial. Well, on the residential side, the amount of work we do, our client base and the services that we provide is actually vast. We provide all the normal types of service you might expect, so from defect analysis to contract administration. We work alongside some of the best property management companies in the business, particularly on mansion block refurbishments and maintenance works. Our interior design and design service has gone from strength to strength over the last couple of years, and that's both on the internal common parts on mansion blocks, but more and more on apartment refurbishments, where we will provide the complete service from feasibility to planning and then through to managing and seeing the project through to completion. On plans and measurement, that is, again, kind of as it's described. We will go to site, we will measure, we will carry out measured surveys, and we will produce plans and elevations, usually for consents and on supporting the design side. In addition to that, though, the software packages we use, and we're not just talking here about the AutoCAD package, we're also talking about Photoshop, Illustrator and InDesign software amongst some of the ones that we use. And what this enables us to do is produce absolutely superb, high quality presentations, which are very, very important for our clients, particularly when there's more than one option, there's more than one design on the table, and we're able to produce these presentations and we can click between each one very, very quickly, and it gives our clients a 3D illustration of exactly what they can expect. Majority of the work is here in London. Our main office is here in Soho. We have clients as far as Canary Wharf and the City, and we do a lot of work here in the West End. And on the residential side, particularly Mayfair, Knightsbridge, Kensington and Chelsea. Outside of London, our Tunbridge Wells office is going from strength to strength. We have projects as far flung as Bournemouth and Poole to Bristol. We have 2 instructions relatively recently in Birmingham, and throughout the home counties we provide all of our services to both residential and commercial clients. Visit the website, email us, phone us, contact us, however you wish. We will be delighted to hear from you.